Hello and welcome everyone, you're watching Learn with Ears. In today's video, we're going to talk about 20 mispronounced daily English words. Okay, it's a vocabulary lesson. So let's see the first word. Ask. Ask, which means to request information or an answer to a question. For example, can I ask you a question? Next, assemble. Assemble, which means to put together or together as a group. For example, my new bicycle is being assembled, or a crowd had assembled outside the house. Next word is adhesive. Adhesive. Adhesive is something sticky that holds things together. For example, I sealed up the package with strong adhesive. I sealed up the package with strong adhesive. Okay. Next word is astronaut. Astronaut. Astronaut is a person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft. For example, I want to be an astronaut. I want to be an astronaut. Next word is anxiety. Anxiety is actually your body's natural response, okay, about uncomfortable feeling, nervousness. It's actually the feeling of fear about what's to come, okay, that's called anxiety. For example, he felt anxiety about the possible loss of his job. Next word is aquarium. Aquarium. Aquarium is a container such as a glass tank or an artificial pond in which living aquatic animals or plants are kept. Okay, this is an aquarium. Now let's see the example. The aquarium has a golden fish. The aquarium has a golden fish. Next, appropriate. Appropriate means suitable or proper in the circumstances. For example, I hope you took the appropriate action. I hope you took the appropriate action. Next, appearance. Appearance. Appearance is the way that someone or something looks. Okay? For example, he is very insecure about his appearance. He is very insecure about his appearance. Next word is affordable. Affordable. Affordable is something that you are financially capable of purchasing or something that is possible for you to accept. For example, the restaurant serves good food at affordable prices. Next word is alternative. Alternative means one of two or more available possibilities. For example, you have the alternative of singing or dancing. Next word is asthma. Asthma. Asthma is a chronic lung disorder that can make breathing difficult. Okay? For example, many people with asthma use an inhaler each day to keep symptoms away. Next, accessory. Accessory. Accessory is a thing which can be added to something else in order to make it more useful, versatile, or attractive. Okay? For example, she wore the suit with perfectly matching accessories, hat, bag, shoes. Okay? Next word is almond. Almond. An almond is an oval-shaped nut that grows inside a hard shell. Okay? Almonds grow on almond trees. Almonds. I brought an almond cake and some chocolates yesterday. Next word is antonym. Antonym. Antonym means opposite. opposite. So here, hot is the opposite of cold. Okay, let's see the example. Long is the antonym of short. Long is the antonym of short. Now let's see the next word, architect. Architect. An architect is a person who plans, designs, and oversees the constructions of buildings. Okay? His father is an architect. Next is athlete. Athlete. A person who is proficient in sports and other forms of physical exercise. For example, she was a great athlete and a caring woman. Next word is atmosphere. An atmosphere is the layers of gases surrounding a planet or other celestial body. For example, these gases pollute the atmosphere of towns and cities. Next word is abundant. Abundant. Existing or available in large quantities. Okay, for example, there was food in abundance. Here is the next word, applause. Applause. Approval or praise expressed by clapping. For example, they gave him a round of applause. Now here is the final word. Can you guess? Apron. Apron. Now let's see the example. I noticed she tied an apron around her waist. Okay, that's it for the day. I hope this video has made a few things clear for you. Thank you so much for watching.